The Department of Education is brewing a system that uses artificial intelligence to attend different issues in education. Meanwhile, the Department of Information and Communications Technology, or DICT, sheds a light on the benefits of the proposed Konektadong Pinoy bill to students. As our Harley Valbuena reports.
Future-ready education. This is now the focus of the Department of Education after the Philippines placed 74th on the Global Education Futures Readiness Index 2025. Included in the digital reforms of DepEd in the education sector is the establishment of Education Center, which will use AI and data science to resolve issues in teaching, planning, and administrating schools. eCare is in development of educational apps such as Sigla for faster measurement of height and weight of children, Talino for geospatial mapping of schools with infrastructure needs, and Dunong for processing the exam data of school leaders. DepEd Secretary Sonny Angara assured that all these reforms will bring convenience in the future for teachers, parents, and students. It can be recalled that DepEd announced a more intensified use of alternative learning system amid often suspension of classes due to heavy rains and typhoons. The Department of Education and Communications Technology, meanwhile, assured support for these initiatives in education. DICT Secretary Henry Aguda said the Konektadong Pinoy bill, once passed, will be a huge help in digitalized learning since this will pave the way for the entry of more internet service providers.
Minsan pag umuulan ng malakas, hindi makapasok yung mga bata sa eskwelahan. Pag may online learning ka, may access ka na dyan doon sa mga the likes ng Khan Academy, may access ka sa lahat ng resources for education buong mundo.
Faster but cheaper internet is also seen because of the increased competition of data service players. Also under Konektadong Pinoy Bill, schools in geographically isolated and disadvantaged areas are expected to finally have internet connectivity.
Yung Konektadong Pinoy, bibigyan tayo ng additional powers and additional incentives to make internet available to everyone, lalo na sa GIDA. Lahat ng schools ng DepEd dapat makonect na kaagad. Utos sa amin yan ni Presidente.
The Konektadong Pinoy Bill awaits transmittal or conveyance to the President, even as, and the DICT continues to dialogue with stakeholders to resolve issues and doubts in cybersecurity. Harley Valbuena from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.